Good morning. You saw our load of PVC pipe. We are in Morris, Illinois, at the TA truck stop. It has been a busy last couple of days, busy week, which is a good thing. We're gonna go deliver this over in Toledo, Ohio today. We got about 270 miles to go. Matter of fact, let me turn this off before we start making turns. We got about 270 miles to go. We'll deliver in Toledo, Ohio this afternoon. And then we're going to deliver up by Detroit, Michigan Friday morning. And then we're going to get our reload out of Detroit going over by Amarillo, Texas. I usually don't take loads going to the Amarillo area because we have a hard time getting out of there. But my coordinator talked me into it. And then she called me and said, I got you a reload right out of the Amarillo area going back to Oklahoma. So that was a good deal. So we got a busy weekend ahead of us. We're going to pick that up on Friday. And we got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to deliver Amarillo on Monday, which is about 1,200 miles. And then we're going to pick up our reload on Monday around noon, take it over to Tulsa, Oklahoma, deliver that on Tuesday. And not too sure what's going to happen after that. But anyway, we've had a busy week. Bella is doing really good. She's really getting into the routine of the truck and doing pretty good. So, alright, I'm just going to sit here at this light for a little bit. I'll talk to you once we get rolling. Alright, lights on for safety. One more gear. There it is. Alright, I will talk to you guys in a bit. Coming up to the toll plaza in Indiana to get on the Indiana toll road. I don't have an easy pass, so I have to pay cash. We're going to get a ticket here. We've got to come up to the plaza and get a ticket, and then you'll pay at the other end. So we'll see which one of these says tickets. If you look at the top, it'll say easy pass only or tickets. So here we want this one right here that says take ticket. So we will come through here. Usually I have to open the door to get the ticket. So, ticket machine right here. Press the button. There's our ticket. Gate goes up. Alright. And it helps if I put the truck in the right gear. And it can be a little chaotic getting out of the toll plaza sometimes. Today's not too bad. We've got about 135 miles, give or take, to Ohio across the toll plaza here.
Now the day is dawning. There ain't no pain can ever make me stay. Yeah, you know it's true. There ain't no rain can wash it all away. It's been hardened into stone. There ain't no place can ever make me feel that the space that you left can heal. There ain't no way that I can let you know that you lost me long ago. Gravity is pulling, but I can't fall. I just keep moving sideways like a wrecking ball. Every mood and every game, every mistake, I'm only growing harder to.
Alright, we're coming up on the toll plaza here at the end of the Indiana toll road. I did not stop at any of the service plazas. Maybe we'll stop over here in Ohio, or we'll stop over here in Ohio. Now, some of these service plazas, or these toll booths, they don't have people in them. Oh, this one looks like it does. I have been in some where there's no person in there. You got to use the machine and you put the money in, which is kind of a pain in the butt because you got to set the brakes, you got to get out of the truck, you got to put the money into the slot, and then instead of giving you paper money back, it gives you dollar coins, which are really hard to spend. So, but it looks like they got a toll person here. So we're going to go through here. It's $37.80 for the toll road for 100, basically about 140 miles is what it was. All right, thank you very much. All right. Now the race is on out of here. Let's see here. We can all figure this out. We can all figure this out. So we got about 23 miles to the Ohio Service Plaza. Alright, we're coming into the Ohio Service Plaza here. Take a look how big this place is. And some of these service plazas in Ohio even got showers in them for truck drivers, which I think is pretty cool. But no, they did real nice. My wife, whenever we come to these service plazas in Ohio, is big ones like this, she says it reminds her of an airport, of how open it is, and all the little restaurants and stuff, and all the people in and out. And then they got parking for RVs over there. So the RVs have got their own parking area. And then they got lots of truck parking. Lots of truck parking. If I had to say anything negative is they don't have a very big grassy area to walk the dog. The one on the other side does, but this side over here, we'll drive, hang on a second, we'll drive through. You can see all the truck parking that they have here. And then we'll drive, so you can see all the truck parking there. I see that guy's working on his trailer, so we'll go over here. And then look, so there's a row here. There's 2 more rows of truck parking. So Ohio did good. Ohio did real good with their service plaza here. There's a little bit of a grassy area over there, so I'm gonna head over that way. Take Bella out. We got 45 miles to our delivery, so I got to look at a map real quick and make sure that I'm going the right way, and we'll get this off our trailer, or part of it off our trailer. So alright, let me walk Bella and talk to you guys in a bit.
Like the way I want it, there ain't no pain can ever make me stay. Yeah, you know it's true. There ain't no rain can wash it all away. It's been hardened into a storm. There ain't no place can ever make me feel that the space that you left can heal. There ain't no way that I can let you know that your love's been long ago. Your love's been long ago. Your love's been long ago. Lost me long ago.
Alright, we got unloaded. Went really quick, really good. Super nice guy. No issues at all. All we got to do now is get turned around here and get on out of here before rush hour really kicks in. It's going on 4 o'clock around here. We're going up to truck stop up by Ann Arbor, Michigan. It's not in Ann Arbor, it's a little bit west of Ann Arbor. That's going to put us about 20 miles from where we have to unload in the morning. Now I don't think I can make that turn right there. So what I'm going to do is pull up back into that hole and then make the turn. So let me get situated here. No, he said to come on down there and turn around, but there's not enough room for me to do a U-turn, so I'm going to back the trailer up into the hole. I tell you, I'm kind of liking my new spot mirror in the spot right there. It does pretty good. Does pretty good. Good enough. That should be good enough. No, this is kind of like a, I think this is more of a family-run lumber store, hardware store place, which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. But if you remember the video from this morning, you saw the green pipe and the white pipe. Well, they took all the green pipe off, so all I have now is just a couple bundles of the white pipe. So super easy, it's nice and flat. On the trailer. Alright, let me get out of here, and I'll talk to you guys when we get up to the truck stop there. Alright, it's the end of the day. We're in Dexter, Michigan at the TA truck stop. Let's take a look at what we got left. Our unload went really good, so. It's a little noisy out here, so I'll try to talk a little louder. But if you remember, we had all that green pipe. Well, all that green pipe went to the first stop, so all we have left is just this white pipe, and from where we're at right now to where it delivers is about 20-25 miles. So the trucks are running. I got my truck running, so it's a little noisy out here. We'll walk over here, show you the TA truck stop. And I'm actually kind of surprised. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm actually kind of surprised that as close as we are to Detroit, this truck stop ain't that full. So you can see there's a Pilot truck stop across the street over there. But yeah, there's a lot of parking left in here. I'm really surprised for how late it is. Or usually about 5 o'clock, and this is about the last truck stop before you get to Detroit. There's our truck right there, and then that's I-94 right out there, and that's east and that's west, so that way is east. But no, it's a pretty nice truck stop. I just took Callie out. They got all kinds of grass. We walked all back behind the fence there, but all kinds of grass. That's a nice truck. So I've stopped here quite often. So alright, that's the end of the day. We got about 30 miles to go tomorrow to unload, and then from there we got about 25 miles to go to reload, going out to Texas. So tomorrow shouldn't be that bad. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.